Most people walk into Walmart and waste 20 to 30 minutes just trying to find one item. They wander aisles, scan shelves, and still end up asking staff for help. But here's the truth no one tells you. The Walmart app can show you exactly where every item is inside the store if you know how to use it correctly. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Walmart app in 2026 to find any item inside the store step by step. No confusion, no guessing, and no wasted time walking in circles. By the end, you'll move through the store like you already know the layout. Let's start with the basics. First, open the Walmart app on your phone. Make sure you are signed in. If you are not logged in, the store location features will not work properly. Now here's where most people go wrong. They search for items without setting their correct store location first. So go to the search bar and type your store's zip code, or allow location access. This ensures the app shows real-time inventory for the Walmart you are actually inside. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Once your store is selected, type the item you are looking for. For example, let's say Alex is shopping for cereal. He types cereal in the search bar. Instead of just showing products, the app now shows aisle numbers and exact shelf locations inside that specific Walmart. This is the key feature most shoppers never fully use. Now tap on the item you want. You will see details like aisle number, section, and sometimes even a small store map. In many 2026 Walmart locations, the app also shows a visual layout with directional arrows. This helps you navigate faster instead of wandering randomly. But here's the problem. Some users do not see accurate locations. This usually happens when the store inventory is not synced or when you are in a different Walmart than the one selected in the app. Always double-check the store name at the top of your screen. Now let's talk about navigation inside the store. Once you have the aisle number, walk directly to that section. For example, if the app says aisle B12, go straight to that aisle sign. Products are usually grouped logically, so you can quickly spot your item once you are in the right area. But here's the trick most experienced shoppers use. If you cannot find the item on the exact shelf, look one aisle left or right. Sometimes stock shifts throughout the day, especially in busy stores. Now here's where it gets even more useful. The Walmart app also lets you save items to a list. So before you even enter the store, you can create a shopping list at home. Then, inside the store, you just tap each item, and the app guides you one by one like a route. Think of it like Google Maps, but for shopping inside Walmart. Another important feature is barcode scanning. If you find a similar product but are not sure if it's the same one from your list, just scan it using the app camera. It will confirm the product instantly. Now let's quickly talk about speed. If you combine store search, aisle navigation, and saved lists, you can cut your shopping time in half. Instead of walking randomly, you are following a direct path through the store. To quickly summarize, set your store location, search your item, check aisle details, follow in-store directions, and use your shopping list to stay organized. That is the fastest way to find anything inside Walmart in 2026. And now you know exactly how to stop wasting time wandering the aisles. If this helped you, like the video, comment with the item you always struggle to find, and subscribe for more simple Walmart guides like this.